Whiskers, the bold tabby, had always been fearless, but today he faced an unexpected rival, the new robot vacuum. As it whirred to life, he pounced immediately, only to leap back when the vacuum changed direction in a surprising dance. Curiosity piqued, Whiskers cautiously followed it, paws tapping rhythmically as he tried to mimic its spinning moves. As the day progressed, what began as a face-off evolved into a playful pursuit filled with paw taps and chirpy meows. By sunset, Whiskers, once wary, now rode atop his new mechanical companion, cruising confidently across the living room, a majestic surveyor of his domain.